Ever wondered why we yawn? Contrary to popular belief, it's not solely linked to tiredness. Discover the surprising secrets behind yawning. Experts say it's a natural response to release tension and promote relaxation. Yawning is considered a mechanism for tension and stress release, often occurring spontaneously as the body releases built-up tension, especially if accompanied by a stretch involving the head and face. Yoga practitioners will agree. Interestingly, people often yawn when they see others yawn, a phenomenon attributed to a subconscious mirroring response, indicating the body's need to stretch and release tension. Go ahead, admit it, you've yawned at least once.